I'm just going around India destroying everybody's linen because of Holi. Holi was 5 days ago, and I'm still tinting the pillowcases and the sheets of every hotel I'm at. This one's still a little pink. I mean, there's like orange. There's some more orange over there. There's a big spot of orange, some green. And that is me. That's not old dirty sheets or anything. I'm just going around India destroying everybody's linen because of Holi. But somehow I feel they're probably used to it, because I'm obviously not the only one who celebrated Holi in India. Breakfast time. Yesterday when we were coming back from our little excursion, we stopped at a fruit vendor. I bought 3 bananas. I actually ate one yesterday, an orange, and a dragon fruit, and it cost me like $2.25 or something. This is $10 at home, so. Oh, beautiful. Very good. Thank you. You got me a knife.
Wow, I saw the colors.
Yeah, it looked like I killed somebody when I cut into it. I was like, I'm not even sure how you cut into these, but I'm going to. I have a very hard time picking an appropriate orange in this country. Like, I bought an orange the other day at the train station, and I picked one off that looked good. Went to pay for it. The guy put it back and gave me a green one, and it was perfect. Here, I picked a nice orange one, orange, and it is so bitter. Dragon fruit was a little bit overripe. The bananas are good, so. We're checking out a tea plantation. It's weird, you can actually feel the humidity in the air as they dry the tea leaves. These are the fans they use. They're pretty much like the same fans that we use for drying grain, maybe a little bit different, but they just run the air under these tables and under all these leaves, and it's just a mesh bottom that the air goes through, just blow it on through. The whole floor is shaking. All the leaves are dancing. I don't know if you can even tell. Everything's bouncing. It's kind of like being in an old hayloft, honestly. I mean, I guess it's pretty similar. Fans are a little bit bigger than ours, but I have a feeling they run them at a much slower speed. This part of the building, though, totally just smells like chlorophyll. Kind of like when you mow your lawn for the first time in the year. Someone's doing their greasing. It says no photography, but they also said it was okay, so.
Now the second process over here. The second is over here.
Look at all that steam blowing off. It's kind of like just a leveling auger, really.
After drying, it's only 3% of water. Now you can see the color changing from green to copper because of new chemicals.
So this is 3% water now.
No, it's 55 now.
55?
After dry, 3%.
Oh, okay. Apparently they grease every Monday. They shut down everything and then they get into all the grease zerks, but there's so many things in here, it's got to take all day. coming out of here is incredible. Well, this is all the wood for the furnace that they use to... Big furnace, holy crap. That's what they use to dry all this stuff down to 3%. So that's been 30 minutes in the dryer. Doesn't really smell like much.
That rollers are all the fibers. And only the leaf. Now we don't see that much fiber in the leaf. So they need to clean and again. Then only they can take all the fiber out.
Tea tasting. In Mysore, finally. It is, I don't know, what time is it? It is 6:30 in the evening. It took all day to get here, and I think we only went like 130, 40 miles or something like that. And I have to apologize. So I did not do a lot of filming. Not that there was a lot to see because we were driving all day again, but my travel attitude, my patience is wearing thin. I'm feeling a lot better, but my attitude is not in the best spot. Long, bumpy rides on switchbacks and roads where you're constantly going like this, and it's taxing on your body. It's taxing on my brain. In the States, you have a long car ride or something, really long ride, you kick back and sleep. Well, you can't here because constantly on the brakes, constantly accelerating, and stops, bumps. You don't have stop signs here. You just have bumps. Actually have decent shower, decent toilet, decent sink. I know that probably seems pretty weird in if you're watching this in the States. But here, this is probably the nicest hotel room we've had. A couple hotels ago, I made a comment about the number of switches in all the rooms, and you never really know exactly what they're to. I want to walk you through how many switches we have in this room here in particular. You ready? So here we go. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 switches there. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. That's a little bit on the conservative side. And this room actually has power, whereas some of these you just have switches everywhere and you don't really know what they do. You flip them and you don't know if they're, am I shorting something out or who knows what's going on. But yeah, 21 switches. Yeah.